So our lesson is chapter 13, a clean world. How we can keep our world clean, how we can keep our environment clean. So let's continue with the lesson. So today we are going to start with the topic pollution, and also we are going to discuss about the types of pollution. So pollution means addition of harmful things to the air, water and land. If there is unwanted and harmful things in the air, water and land, it is known as pollution. And the substances means the harmful things that pollute the environment are called pollutants. Pollutant means those things which is harmful to us, and if it is present in the air, water and land, those are called pollutants. So depending on the harmful things in which it is found, whether it is in the air, water or land, it is divided into three types. First, let's see the air pollution. If the harmful thing is found in the air, then it is known as air pollution. Let's see the definition for air pollution. Air pollution is the addition of undesirable substances into the air. So undesirable means the unwanted substances which is found in the air will cause air pollution. Understood? Factories release smoke and cause air pollution. So these points are some of the reasons because of which the air pollution is taking place. The first reason is factories. In the factory, see, this is the picture of a factory, that means industry in which many chemicals are being used to make different types of things. So it may be a paper factory, it may be a food factory, cloth factory, any kind of factory. So factories release smoke, they release lot of smoke, and those smokes are very harmful and lot of filled with lot of harmful gases. So factories release smoke and cause air pollution. If there is lot of smoke in the environment, in the air, that means there is lot of carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is very harmful for us, so it can cause air pollution. Next is burning of fuels like coal, petrol and diesel in vehicles also pollutes the air. So for the vehicles, cars, bikes, trucks, buses, we are using fuels like coal, petroleum and diesel. So all these fuels, when we are using in the vehicles, they get burned and it is getting used, so it also releases smoke. As you can see here in this picture, it shows the vehicles, cars with lot of smoke. They are releasing smoke, and this smoke, it can also cause air pollution as it is releasing harmful chemicals in the air. Next point is harmful gases like methane and carbon dioxide mix with the air and make it dirty. So some of the methane gases and carbon dioxide gases, as I have explained to you earlier, so these two gases are the harmful gases and it can get mixed with the air and it makes the air dirty. Is it clear? So this is about air pollution. So if there is harmful gases in the air, it is known as air pollution, and these are 3 points because of which the air pollution may take place. And the next topic is water pollution. So what is water pollution? Similar just like air pollution, here the harmful substances or the undesirable substances will be found in the water. So let's see, water pollution is the addition of harmful substances into water bodies like lakes, ponds, rivers, oceans, etc. All these lakes, ponds, rivers and oceans are what? They are water bodies. They have water in them. So if there is unwanted substances or harmful substances, then those are called water pollution. Okay, so what are the reasons because of which the water may get polluted, the harmful substances may come into the water? What are the reasons? So let's say people wash clothes or utensils in rivers and pollute it. So daily we people, what we do, we use water for bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, washing dishes. We are using water for many purposes. So all those used water, where they go? They flow to the rivers, they flow to the soil. So all those water, the used water, if it flows to the water, it causes water pollution. Okay, so and if it flows to the soil, it will cause land pollution. So next is drains from cities and towns carry dirty water mixed with soap and chemicals and release them into rivers. Especially in cities and towns, there are lots of drains, and drains are made for making the water flow. Okay, to make the water flow, we use drains, we make drains. So the water which is flowing in the drain, mostly those waters are dirty water which is found in the city, and it is mixed with lot of soap and other chemicals, and it goes directly into the rivers. So you can see here in the picture, this picture shows the picture of a water body. It may be a river. Okay, so here you can see lot of garbages, lot of waste products, plastics, paper, bottles, many different kinds of waste products, and also there are some of the harmful chemicals. As you can see, the water is very dirty, it is not clear, so it is polluted. This picture shows the pollution of water. Next is chemicals and fertilizers flow from agricultural fields into water bodies. Even the chemicals and fertilizers which we are using in the agricultural field, we use chemicals, fertilizers for growing crops, for growing vegetables. So those chemicals, it goes to the soil, and also in the rainy season there will be water, so those chemicals will get mixed with the water and it will flow to the rivers, canals, okay, all those. Again, this is also one of the reason which causes water pollution. Now, if the water is getting polluted, will you drink the dirty water? Will you be able to drink polluted water? Obviously, the answer is no, we do not drink dirty water. So why we do not drink dirty water? Let's see. Drinking polluted water can cause diseases like typhoid and jaundice and make you sick. So we cannot drink polluted water, dirty water, because we may suffer from disease, we may get sick, and name of some of the diseases are like typhoid and jaundice. Typhoid and jaundice we may suffer because of using polluted water. Is it clear? So remember the name of the disease, that is typhoid and jaundice. Next, polluted water harms aquatic life also. If see in the water, what happens? There is living organism like fish, frog, crocodile, whale, many different kinds of aquatic animals, means animals which live in water, are found in water. So if the water is very dirty, those animals will die. They will not be able to survive. So it is very harmful for the aquatic animals. For the plants also, some plants are found in water, they will also die if the water is polluted. Now next is land pollution. Land pollution is the mixing of harmful substances to the soil. If there is harmful substance in the soil, it is called land pollution. And the reason of land pollution is domestic and industrial waste which are dumped on land, thus polluting it. If we throw the industrial waste like plastic, chemicals, maybe vegetable garbages, if we throw it in the land, on the land, then they will pollute the land, will pollute the soil. So it is land pollution. So we have discussed about different types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. Now we must know how to control the pollution, because pollution is very harmful for all the living organism, and it is harmful for our environment, for our world, and it makes the world look very dirty. So we need to keep our environment clean, we need to keep our world clean. So how can we keep the environment clean? So let's see some of the preventions. Prevention of pollution. Disposal of waste has become a big problem, especially in cities and towns. To throw the waste products, it is very difficult in cities and towns. Where to throw? There is no places. So each of us can do our bit in the following ways. So we can follow some of the steps to reduce pollution. So first it is given, use unleaded petrol or CNG in vehicles. Instead of using petrol, diesel, we can use some of the unleaded petrol where there is no lead, and also we can use some compressed natural gases in the vehicles. And these two type of fuels are eco-friendly. They are eco-friendly. And next is reduce the production of waste by using reusing, reducing and recycling. So we can reduce the waste by reusing the things, reducing and by recycling. For example, we can use the bottles, plastic bottles again and again. We can give it back to the industries and they will recycle it, and then we can use it again. So or also we can use some of the plastic products for different purposes also. So in this way we are not wasting the products. So we are reusing it and recycling it. Next is factory chimneys should be fitted with filters. In the factory there are chimneys. Chimneys means the part of the roof through which the smoke comes out. So in the chimneys we can use some filters. Air filter, it is called air filter. It will filter the air. Only the clean air will come out in the environment. So we can use some air filters to reduce the air pollution. Next is dirty water from the factories should be treated before it is released into the water bodies. Now the water, dirty water which is coming out of the factory, it can be treated with chemicals to reduce the pollution, and then it can be released into the water body instead of releasing it directly. Okay, so next is household garbages should not be dumped around the house. So the garbages which we have in our house, we can dump it in one particular place instead of throwing here and there. So in this way also we can reduce pollution. So why do we need to reduce pollution? That is to keep the earth beautiful, to keep our planet beautiful. So to retain the beauty of the planet earth, we need to reduce pollution. Okay, so if I ask you a question, why do we need to reduce pollution, then you must answer that to retain the beauty of the planet earth, we need to reduce pollution. Is it clear? If we reduce pollution, only then the planet earth will remain beautiful with lot of fresh air, with lot of different types of animals, plants. It will look beautiful. So we need to reduce pollution. Is it clear? So this is all about the environment, how to keep the environment clean and how to control the different types of pollution. So thank you.